comes to Washington State for hiking and to get in close with nature. Not too far away from Seattle downtown is one of the trail called Discovery Park and Lighthouse Trail. It is 6.4 miles to the north from Seattle downtown. This trail is 4.4 miles in loop and has about 480 feet elevation gain. If you live in Seattle Tacoma area and don't want to drive far for a peaceful hiking or walking, then this is the spot. Visitors usually comes here for hiking and to see the lighthouse view. There are so many different routes in this trail which forms a circuit through forest and shrub habitats. The shoreline is accessible by road or trail, but you will need a permit to park near the beach. You can get a free permit at the visiting center for qualified individuals only. Or you can park at the visiting center parking lot and hike your way to West Point Lighthouse and enjoy the view.